Hey, how's it going? It's Mr. Peace. I just got done speaking at the Detroit Arsenal Child Development Center in Warren, Michigan on the U.S. Army military base. And it was an awesome experience. I got to speak to the pre-K through 6th graders that are there as part of the summer program. The main talk today focused on bullying, looking at someone's heart first, obviously seeing someone like you see your best friend for what's on the inside and also appreciating what's on the outside, but also seeing people for being true miracles like the M etched on all of our palms, and really showing this type of kindness, this unconditional love to anybody around us, no matter how they're born, no matter what's going on with their situation in life, that we can still show compassion and kindness. And this was awesome. One of the students gave me this. It says, if you have a choice of being right or kind, choose kind, with the peace sign here. That sometimes it's better to just show that type of love and kindness than always having to be right. And really opening your heart to know that somebody around you, that maybe they are making fun of you. And some kids shared their heart with me after the talk today, saying that they've been bullied for this reason or that reason, whatever it might be, with their body figure, with what they wear, with how they're born, a certain deformity or a certain disability, but that they're still choosing to understand that people doing this are hurting, and that we know that in just 2 seconds we can uplift somebody or we can destroy them, like the peace sign, right? 2 seconds, one action, one word, one heartbeat as big as our fist. But if we let love and kindness go into here fully, we can turn this into this. So remember to keep sharing love, keep sharing peace. You guys touched my heart today. Hope to be back again soon to share with you. Keep spreading your light. Peace.